Hello, I'm Adrian Einan. I teach product design at Dudley College. I also work in special needs teaching over at Inspired. We've received Millennium funding for what is called a STEAM hub, and we are going to be transforming the facilities for students in product design, in special needs and across college, in science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. We're going to be moving from the space that you're seeing now, which is the old elephant house, which is quite old and it's not really fit for purpose. We're moving to a very new facility and using your generous funding to actually be able to invest in lots of new equipment. A big thing about it is that it is wheelchair accessible as well, so we're buying new tables that can be height adjustable and lots of different equipment that enable students to be able to do 3D printing without any formal knowledge of CAD. We are very much a traditional craft-based subject, and it is fantastic to do that, but the fact is that we're actually wanting to modernise, move into a much more technological future. And so students are going to be using craft techniques to a certain extent, but they're going to be mostly using laser cutters, 3D printing, and preparing for the sort of world that they'll be working for in industry. So this is a huge boost. So we've got mainstream students, we've got special needs students, we have people across the college in engineering and other departments who will all have access to these new equipment. Another thing as well is that local schools and also people in the local community will be able to use this facility, so it's going to be a real massive boost for the area. This technology and the STEAM hub, with the investment from Millennium Point, will massively increase the actual quality and standard of the students' work. They produce very good work as it is, but this new technology and the confidence they will gain from using this will show them that the work is professional standard. They see that they can actually produce a high level work, and it motivates them as well. Also, my work in special needs, I work with students who possibly are less motivated and find it difficult to actually work, and if they make a mistake they get demotivated, and by producing better work it gives better outcomes and it makes them feel much better about themselves. So it's a very, very big positive thing.